Okay, so we have two bags. In the first bag, we have 2 red marbles and 2 blue. And we're trying to find the probability of getting 2 same color. So I'm just going to call it probability of getting double. Okay, call it double. Okay, so then what we have to do is find the number of ways you can pick out 2 same colors. So it's either 2 red or 2 blue. Okay, so we can do this. Red one, just if there's 2 red, there's first red, there's second red, and there's first blue and there's second blue. So it can be red 1, red 2, or red 2, red 1, or blue 1, blue 2, or blue 2, blue 1. There's actually 4 different possibilities, right? Out of, if you don't care about the pair, right? First of all, you have 4 choices. Out of 4 marbles, you pick one, and after you pick out one, to pick out the second marble, you have 3 choices. Okay, so it's 4 choices out of 4 times by 3, so it's a third. Okay, there's a third chance. 1/3 is a probability of getting a double. Okay, in the first bag. This is the first bag. Okay, so now second bag. Okay, so then probability of, again, getting a double. Alright, so similar, it has 2 red and 2 marbles, so there's going to be 4. I'm just going to count that 4. And there's G green marbles. Okay, G green marbles. So they don't actually tell us how many green marbles, so it just tells us in a variable. So we have to express, right, the 2 we can pick, right, from the green marbles. Okay. So the first different choice we have for the green marble is G, and then it's G minus 1, isn't it? Right, so G times G minus 1 is a different ways I can pick out the green marbles, a double green marble. Okay, and then for total possibility, it's 4 plus G times by 3 plus G, right? So there's 4 plus G overall total marbles, and once you pick one out, you have 3 plus G left over. And what they're telling us is that these two are the same, then what is G? Okay, so we have 1/3 is equal to 4 plus, let me actually expand that. You get G squared minus G. Okay, and we have 4 plus G. I'm not going to expand this yet. Okay, I'm going to actually cross multiply this. So what we get is this multiplied by 1. So 4 plus G, 3 plus G, 3 times G squared minus G plus 4. So we get a 12 plus 7G plus G squared, 3G squared minus 3G plus 12. The 12 cancels out. These two will collect to give you 2G squared. These two will collect to give you minus 10G here. You can divide both sides by 2 to get G squared minus 5G. Okay, and we get 2 answers. G is either equal to 0 or 5. They clearly said G has to be greater than 0, so number of G has to be 5. So therefore, G is equal to 5. Or I should say, since G must be greater than 0, therefore G is equal to 5.